Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a custom module in Zoho Desk. Custom modules allow you to extend your help desk functionality beyond standard tickets and contacts, making it easy to track anything specific to your business needs. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Zoho Desk and log in to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, locate the Setup or Gear icon in the top navigation menu and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all the configuration and customization options available in Zoho Desk, allowing you to tailor the platform to match your workflow perfectly. After clicking the Setup icon, you'll be taken to a new page with various customization options. Look for the Customization section, and under the Channels section, you'll see an option labeled Modules and Tabs. Click on it to proceed. This is where you'll manage all the modules that appear in your Zoho Desk interface, giving you control over what information and tools are accessible to your team. Once you're on the Modules and Tabs page, you'll see a list of all the modules currently attached to the top navigation menu of your dashboard. These are the different sections your team can access, like tickets, contacts, and accounts. To add a custom module, simply click on the New Module button located on the top right part of your screen. This button opens up the creation interface where you'll define your new module. Now, you'll be on the New Module information page where you'll configure all the details for your custom module. Start by entering the name of your module. You'll need to provide both the plural and singular forms of the name, which helps Zoho Desk display the module correctly throughout the interface. Next, add a description for this module. This description helps your team understand what the module is for and what kind of data it should contain. After that, you'll need to set the data storage option for this module using the radio buttons provided. You can choose between department level or organization level data storage. Department level means the data will only be accessible within specific departments, while organization level makes it available across your entire organization. Choose the option that best fits your data privacy and accessibility requirements. For the last part, set the module permission. This controls who can access, edit, or manage the data within this custom module, ensuring that sensitive information stays secure and only reaches the right people. Once everything is filled in and configured to your liking, click on Save. The page may take a moment to process and create your new module, so give it a few seconds to complete. And that's it, you've successfully created a custom module in Zoho Desk that can now be used to track specialized data relevant to your business operations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.